is your girl, Self Afusa. Today, we are going to teach ourselves. In fact, we are not going to teach ourselves. We are going to do 100 hours that the Baci do. Shouting, the Baci. What does he do that I cannot do? Don't praise yourself. Since how many years that I've been teaching you guys how to cook perfect cook. So today, we are going to start by making basmati feast. So, like I said, we already have our ingredients and we have our frampan. It's clean already. So we'll now put it on the fire like this. Then we on our gas.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
So right now, this is all our ingredients. We have our fish, our already washed fish. We have our ororo, epo, sugar, milk, salt here. We have our hanky also. And to me, I'm not even going to do 100 hours. I'm doing it's about 200 hours. So I'm here to challenge the Baci. I'm doing 2 hours food. Not stop, not sitting down, nothing. I'm not even going to take a break. I am ready for business, strictly business. And our frampan is on the fire already, so we are waiting it for the thing to dry. So right now, we now take our ororo, then we now pour it inside the already putting frampan. As a chef, you have to know how to manage something in your kitchen. We drop this one like that. So right now, we'll leave the ororo on the fire and to allow the thing to show you to stir it together. We'll leave it like that. To make the thing boil, it will come like that. This one is olorina, the ororo, so we'll now carry our piece. It's very clean. It's very clean. So right now, we'll now take our cup to fetch our water because the economy in Nigeria will not permit me to use the ororo finish, our specially made water.
What is this? Jesus.
Who's the that silly Baci say?